Hello guys, Dan here. Today we're going to be making a watermelon cake. So you have to put the flour in a mixing bowl, 150 grams, then 100 grams of sugar, all in the bowl, then half a teaspoon of baking soda in there, now you need to pour in 40 millilitres of olive oil. Now you have to whisk it hand style. And now you have to get the mixture and you have to put it inside the oven at 180 degrees for half an hour. Now you need 50 grams of icing sugar, and after we need 2 teaspoons of water. All over that. Now, once you've finished, you've got to turn the oven off.